we are looking at this question here on SIS. Triangle XYZ is such that the length of XY is given as 15.8 cm, YZ is 28.4 cm, and angle YXZ is 74 degrees. Okay, so part A wants us to calculate the angle of XZY. So they are looking for this angle here, XZY. Okay, now when we see this triangle, first it's not a right angle triangle, so I am not able to use Pythagoras theorem, neither will I be able to use my Trigo ratios. Okay, so what I have to do now is I'll have to use my sine rule. Okay, so if you were to pair them up, okay, we see that the angle 74 degrees actually pairs up nicely with 28.4 cm. Okay, so we do have a pair here that will allow us to use sine rule, okay, to find the unknown angle. Okay, because we do have the corresponding length of the unknown angle that we want to find. So I'm going to write it down. Okay, using sine rule, now I want to find the unknown angle, so I'm going to put the unknown angle in the numerator. So I will write it as sine xzy, okay, my unknown, over 15.8 cm will be equals to the sine of 74 degrees over 28.4. Okay, so we do see over here. Okay, this is the pair that we have from the question. Okay, so we want to find the unknown, and fortunately we have the corresponding length. Okay, now I need to now solve for just the angle. So the first thing I'll do is I'll bring 15.8 to the right hand side. So sine of the angle is 15.8 times sine 74 degrees over 28.4. Okay, now I only want the angle. Okay, so now the next step I would need to bring the sine over. Okay, so my angle stays. Okay, and I will get a sine inverse on the other side. So sine inverse of the fraction. Okay, so I just need to key in this into my calculator to get the answer, and I will get 32.329. This is to 5 SF, sorry, 3 dp. Okay, so I need to round off my answer to 1 dp since I'm finding for an angle. Okay, so my answer would be angle XZY would be 32.3 degrees rounded to 1 dp. Okay, now I've written down the answer corrected to 3 dp. Okay, this is in case I need to use this angle for any further parts of the question. I will need to leave it to 2 more significant figures. Okay. So what we have done here is we are using our sine rule. We identified a pair that can help us find the unknown angle or the unknown length. Okay, so now the unknown angle is angle XZY. We do have the corresponding length of 15.8 cm. Okay, so I am able to use my sine rule to help me. Okay, in terms of the algebraic manipulation, I will first bring my 15.8 over. Okay, so it's like your cross multiplication. Okay, then I will get this. Okay, then I only want the angle, so my sine, okay, when I bring it over, it will get sine inverse. Okay, and then I'll key in this whole value into my calculator. Okay, do note, make sure that your calculator is in degrees mode. Okay, since we're dealing with degrees over here now. And then I have my answer rounded to 1 dp. Okay, let's look at part B. Okay, part B wants us to calculate the area of this triangle. Okay, now we don't have a right angle triangle, so we don't have the perpendicular heights here. Okay, so I need to use my Trigo formula to find area of triangle. Okay, so a quick recap as well. Our area of triangle is half AB sine C. Okay, so angle C has to be the included angle. Okay, so recap. Included angle that is in between your two lengths A and B. Okay, so in this case, I know two of the lengths, 15.8, 28.4. Okay, I do know 74 degrees. Okay, and in part 1, I have actually also found 32.329 degrees. Okay, so if I want to use the formula to help me find the area of this triangle, okay, since my two lengths are 15.8 and 28.4, okay, the included angle would be angle Y over here. Okay, so since I have the values of the other two angles, I can easily find the value of angle Y, okay, by simply taking 180 degrees, subtract away the other two angles. Okay, so angle XYZ is 180 minus 74 minus 32.329, and that will give me 73.671 degrees. Okay, now I'm not going to round this value off to 1 dp. Okay, since this is not the final answer that they are looking for, I'll keep it as 3 dp. Okay, then I will use this information to help me find the area of this triangle. So let me write this here. Okay, so area of triangle XYZ. Okay, I will have half, okay, AB, so 15.8 times 28.4, okay, and I need to multiply by sine of 73.671 degrees. Okay, so this will give me 215.31. Okay, I'm going to round it off to 3SF. So I will get 215 cm square as the area of the triangle. Okay, so for this question, do take note of the formula. Okay, to find area of the triangle, we are using half AB sine C. Okay, where C is actually the included angle. So if I go back to look at the diagram to help me, I have the lengths of two sides of the triangle. So I need to make use of the included angle. Okay, so I can easily find it by taking 180 minus off the two other angles that I have, and then I will substitute my values into my formula. half AB sine C, making sure that your calculator is in degree mode, and then I round off my final answer to 3SF. Okay, so this is the solution for this question here.